ones to listen. Cause if you think I was born yesterday, you have got me wrong. So I cut you off, I don't need your love. Cause I already cried enough, I've been done, I've been moving on since we said goodbye. I cut you off, I don't need your love. So you can try all you want. Your time is up, I'll tell you why. So I cut you off.
Hey guys, and welcome to the Learn Creating EDX style music in Logic Pro 10. In this course, we're going to create this track from scratch with only Logic's own stock plugins and with free third-party plugins as well. I will actually show how to first come up with an initial idea by just playing around a bit and being creative, such as going outside to record natural sounds so we can use them in our track and make our track more realistic sounding. After that, we're going to build up on that idea and start arranging that track to create a very easy arrangement. From that, we're going to add sounds to that arrangement and perfecting the sounds even more. I will also show how to export this track to an audio file so we can use it for the mixdown. When that is done, we'll create a mix down of the track and also create a final master so the track would be good to go for all of the different sound systems and speakers out there. I'm also going to show you how to take a vocal and create a remix out of that, just like I did in this example. And you can actually apply this technique to all of your tracks to create a remix very easily. If you're brand new to Logic Pro 10, I've also included videos from my Logic Pro 101 course, which we will cover all of the basics for you so you can start and create music with Logic today. You will also get a bonus of free sample packs with a library that is exclusive for Udemy students, all for free. That sample pack library contains a lot of different sample packs and new ones are added every week. You will get free access to them lifetime with the purchase of this course. Alright, so I hope you're as pumped as I am to attend this course, and I really hope to see you in the course.